It would amaze you the type of claims that we see every single day. Things that you wouldn't even imagine could occur seem to occur regularly. The customer is the most important thing. You know, because at the end of the day, we're protecting people's assets, their balance sheets, their lives, and their health.
I'm Marty Clark with BHC Insurance. At BHC, we're not your normal insurance agency. We're part of the fabric of the communities where we work and reside. And when that nightmare claim occurs and the worst happens, you can rest assured that we won't rest until your life is back to normal.
I sell insurance with my heart, and that's a good thing and that's a bad thing. Your customers, when you're talking to them and you're selling insurance to them, they know that your heart's in it.
We try to round out their account to where we know that there's no gaps in coverage. A rewarding day would be to know that we have made our clients happy. I love this job, I do.
We have a lot of exposure and we handle a lot of heavy machinery and a lot of heavy equipment. Brown Handler Clark provides us a good service for that because of the exposure. Our insurance cost is so extreme that it's a big part of our business. And you have to have somebody that you can trust in, what you believe in, to take care of you. When you're in crisis, they are a good service to have.
I'm in the personal lines department, and what that is we're protecting people's personal assets, home, autos, boats, motorcycles. We also offer coverage for excess liability, jewelry, fine arts. It's rewarding to me to hear a client say, you know, I knew you were going to take care of that for me, or I knew you had it handled.
We don't want to see their current insurance policies. That's not what matters to us. We want to tour the facility. We want to go behind the front office of the executive C-suite. We want to go out into the plant. We want to see how they make the products that they make. We want to go on the job sites and see how they're actually doing the work. We want to make sure that we understand what they're doing so that we can best represent their exposure to our insurance companies and get them the best deal.
For us, those partnerships are key. I mean, we've got partnerships that go back almost 40 years, and Brown Handler Clark's one of them. We go back and tell folks that there's something to being able to have the service and have the personal touch to it that you don't get a lot of places. And we know if there's a disaster or something happens on one of our jobs or anything else, we know we've got the people that are going to be there to back it up, and they're able to come in and add a service that we've never found anybody who can come close to touching it, and we're proud to call them a partner.
Well, I think what we're really good at is forging relationships, not only just from a professional standpoint, but also personal standpoint. I mean, these guys become our good friends, and especially with the construction trade, it is a very active account. They confide in me, they consider me a part of their team, just like their attorney and their accountant. And so when you get that trust built up, then it's seamless. And so I think we do a really good job of relationship building.
I think it's the constant changing environment. It's not a cookie cutter routine. It is constantly evolving, and more our clients and prospective clients rely on us to help them sort through that complexity in the post healthcare reform world.
We probably have about 1,200 employees. We have a fair amount of claims. I mean, just you know, in the nature of our business, it's a fairly manual job, and there's a lot of work comp claims. Work comp is a big issue for us. I think in any business, you've got to find people you can trust, people that have a different core competency than you have, because you can't do it all yourself. You've got to be able to find what's going to make your business succeed, and I think it's about finding people and companies that you know you can rely on.
So there's a small glimpse into our world. But at BHC, it's not about talk, it's about performance. And it's not just a promise, it's more than a promise.